Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for the most insightful reviews on today's hottest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best buy FM transmitter online, the Nulaxy 54W Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter charger. If you're looking for an all-in-one car accessory that upgrades your driving experience with powerful charging, deep bass music playback, hands-free calling, and dazzling lighting, this is it. So buckle up, and let's take a 5-minute ride through its features and functionality. First, let's talk about what makes this device stand out: the power delivery. The Nulaxy car adapter isn't your average transmitter. It delivers a total of 54W fast charging with a dual setup, PD36W and QC3.018W. This means it can charge your smartphone, tablet, and 2 more devices simultaneously, and fast. Say goodbye to battery anxiety on long road trips. Now, let's shift gears to connectivity. This model uses Bluetooth 5.3, the latest version in Bluetooth technology. Lightning-fast pairing, stable connections, and higher quality audio transmission. Whether you're streaming music or making a call, expect a smooth, uninterrupted experience. All you have to do is power it up, tune your car radio to a blank frequency, match the FM transmitter to that same frequency, and you're ready to connect your phone via Bluetooth. And it doesn't stop there. A simple twist of the knob lets you adjust FM frequencies. Once paired via Bluetooth, look for BC91, you're fully connected for music, calls, and even GPS navigation audio. Let's not forget the audio experience. With a single touch, you can activate its deep bass mode, transforming ordinary music into a rich, immersive experience. It feels like having a subwoofer installed, without the complicated setup. Add to that its vibrant 5-color LED backlighting, which not only looks cool at night but also enhances visibility of controls, making nighttime driving both stylish and safe. Next up, usability. The Nulaxy Bluetooth car adapter features a raised knob design, which gives you precise control over functions without taking your eyes off the road. Voice command support also enables you to use your phone's navigation without ever needing to touch it. Of course, safety is a top priority, and Nulaxy knows it. This transmitter comes with comprehensive protection features: overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat, and short-circuit protection, so your devices are safe no matter how long your journey is. Plus, it supports a wide voltage range of 12 volts to 24 volts, making it compatible with most vehicles, whether it's a compact car or a heavy-duty truck. Installation is simple, but a quick tip before you plug it in: make sure your cigarette lighter socket is clean and free of debris. The device is designed to fit standard 20mm to 24mm sockets, that includes the spring clip. If it's not a snug fit, it might be time to double-check the dimensions. The Nulaxy 54W Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter charger hits a sweet spot in affordability, features, and performance. It's not just a charger. It's your car's new media hub, communication assistant, and mood enhancer. Whether you're stuck in traffic or on a road trip with your playlist blasting, this device brings modern convenience and entertainment into any vehicle. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Critique. If you're looking for value, functionality, and style all rolled into one compact device, the Nulaxy Bluetooth FM transmitter is an easy recommendation. Make sure to check it out using the link in the description and consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.